Hey guys, welcome to our new video and happy Diwali to all our viewers. So today's video is about last minute easy simple Diwali decor. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So if you do not have time for Diwali decor, the first thing which you can use to decorate your house are flowers. So here you can see that I have taken this big glass plate, have poured some water and now I am adding few flower petals. You can take any flower petals. And after adding flower petals, you can use this floating diya. They look very beautiful and add so much of beauty to entire Diwali decor. The second idea is that you can buy these artificial diyas. They are battery operated diya and they look very beautiful if you add at any corner of your house. I'm using these artificial diyas to decorate my garden. With artificial diyas, you can also invest in these cork lights which look very beautiful and add so much of beauty to any corner of the house. For easy Diwali decor, you can also use these ceramic glass jars or bowls which look very cute and beautiful. The colorful framing of this bowl makes any area colorful and so beautiful. After that ceramic bowl, I am using this beautiful glass jar and I am using at the entrance of my house. This looks very chic and polished and adds so much of light to this entire area. Also, I was having these small glass diyas. In that I am putting tea light candle and lighting it and keeping at my entrance. So guys, in case you do not got time to buy any specific decor for Diwali, you can use these glass jars. They look amazingly beautiful. Another easy idea is that in case if you have any carpet or rug, you can use that for Diwali decor. If you use rug or carpet at the specific area, that area become very focused and become very wide. For Diwali decor, you can also use these beautiful diffusers, adding some fragrance oil. This is my dining area and I have decorated my dining area by using few flowers and few earthen diyas and of course diffusers and one coconut shell, keeping tea light candle in that. This entire setup looks so beautiful and it is super easy and simple. To make this Diwali decor look bit unique, you can also use such kind of cage and keep tea light candles in that cage. Here for Diwali decor, I am using cork lights, cage and of course few bottle plants to decorate corners of the house. Corners of the house are very important and if you decorate it properly, the entire house looks so beautiful and defined. Another different idea which I have tried was using these fairy lights around these plants. I have these beautiful plants in my balcony and they are at certain height where I can round up these fairy lights. To decorate balcony area, I am using here this lampshade. Simultaneously, I am using these artificial lights to lit up this entire area. Also, you can use some abstract ideas like using these vines on very unspecified objects like this mirror, and they add so much of cuteness and beauty to your decor. Diwali is incomplete without rangoli. So if you are not comfortable making color rangoli, you can try these flower rangoli. And guys, if you're really running short of time and you do not have time to do lots of shopping, so what you can do is you can bring these starlight or any fairy light and decorate your house, your balcony, or any corner of your house. So as I was falling short of time and I could not get too much of time to shop for Diwali decor, so I just thought about these simple ideas and it really helped me out to decorate my entire house. Trust me guys, these ideas are very simple, easy, and everything is so easily available at local market. So this is the time to promote local markets. So I will request you to go and buy these items on local market rather than buying online. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.